There are quite a few known cases when animals selflessly saved a person and other animals from danger. However, it is not always natural ingenuity, survival instincts, and even the help of kin can pull the animal out of the rut. At such moments, a person already has to save our younger brothers from trouble, especially when the animals themselves ask for his salvation and protection. I present to your attention a selection of unique cases when animals came to a person for help and were able to get it. Enjoy watching. Sometimes the salvation of our younger brothers requires not only unbridled courage, but also good physical training. The salvation of this young deer would not have been successful if 3 rescuers had not intervened. The frightened animal was threateningly waving its horns. However, the rescuers managed to catch the moment, grab the deer by the horns, and lift it to the very edge of the pit with one hand. At the top, his colleagues were already ready to intercept him, and after a few seconds, the freed deer fled as far as possible from the insidious pit. Wow, handsome. Damn, you are handsome. It is scary to imagine what fate awaited the dolphin cub if this diver had not noticed him in time. To speed up the process, the man pulled the cub into the boat, quickly and carefully removed the net from it and released it back into its natural habitat. And here not only the actions of the man who saved the cat from the water are worthy of praise, but also the ingenuity of the cat itself, which quickly realized that it was necessary to cling tightly to the abandoned branch with its claws to escape. Wild animals do not always run away immediately after their rescue, because many of them are able to show real human gratitude. In these shots, the man saved the koala, which got entangled in the net. But what was his surprise when, instead of running away, the animal opened its arms to lock his savior in them. This boy is from a very poor Pakistani family. He helps his loved ones by collecting and selling plastic found on the street. But even in spite of the difficult material situation, he finds the mental strength and funds to regularly buy milk for the homeless cat. Sometimes not only miniature birds can be in trouble, but also large predators, just like this scope. The fishing hook with a fishing line got stuck in its right wing and caused severe suffering. However, the bird found the strength to swim to the nearest boat in the hope of getting rid of the unbearable pain. Could the predator know that a man could help her, or did she just want to get out of the water as soon as possible? Nevertheless, the boat of this woman became the only salvation for the bird in that terrible moment. Thank you. You just witnessed the power of kindness and humanity in action. If this video touched your heart, make a promise to do your part in helping animals in need. These innocent creatures rely on us, and even the smallest act of kindness can change their lives. Whether it's giving water to a thirsty bird, taking an injured animal to a vet, or feeding a stray, your help can make a real difference. Together, we can create a better world for animals. If you have a story or a video where you helped an animal, share it with us. Your act of kindness might inspire others to do the same. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others so more people can step forward to help animals in need. One share from you could save a life.